Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in. 每周打卡。Here's a question for you. 你最喜欢什么动物？你最喜欢什么动物？ What animal do you like the most? 最喜欢 means like the most. 动物 means animal. Here are your options. Let's read them out. 狗、猫、鱼、鸟、兔子、熊猫、袋鼠、考拉。The sentence structure we use to answer the question is this one. 我最喜欢 Simply add the animal you like the most to complete the sentence. For example, my all-time favorite is the panda. In Chinese, it's 我最喜欢熊猫。How about you? 你最喜欢什么动物？ Answer it in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.